Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move Outlook files to your desktop. This is particularly useful when you want to back up important emails or transfer your data to another computer. So let's walk through this process step by step. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, make sure you're logged into your account so that all your emails and data can properly load. This step is essential because you need access to your account settings to locate the files we're going to move. Once your email has loaded and everything is displaying correctly, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this at the top of your screen among your other tools and menu options. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open it up. After clicking File, your menu will expand and you'll see various options on the right side panel. Look for the Account Settings drop-down menu and click on it. From the drop-down that appears, select Account Settings again. This will open a new window specifically dedicated to managing your Outlook account configurations. In this account settings window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Data Files tab. This is where Outlook stores all the information about your email data files, including their locations on your computer. You'll be presented with a list of all the accounts you currently have set up under your Outlook app. Now carefully review the list and select the account that contains the file you wish to move. Click on it once to highlight it, then look for the button labeled Open File Location and click it. This action will launch a File Explorer window that takes you directly to where your Outlook data files are stored on your system. From here, you'll see your Outlook file, which is typically a PST file. This file contains all your emails, contacts, and calendar information for that account. Simply copy this PST file by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Once copied, navigate to the folder directory where you want to move it, whether that's your desktop or another location, and paste it there. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Outlook files to your desktop or chosen location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.